morning and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. My name is Jake Ohama King.
And I'm Ethan Pagulayan.
Carol Moseley Braun once served in the United States Senate from 1993 to 1999 as a Democrat who was from Illinois, born in Chicago in 1947. Moseley Braun came of age in the midst of civil rights movement and pursued a career in law.
Exactly. She stated, "Defining myself, as opposed to being defined by others, is one of the most difficult challenges I face."
Freshman reception is happening this Saturday, September 25th from 7 to 10 p.m. on new campus. Tickets are $5 with your ASB card, $6 with your ID card, and $7 without your ID card. We hope to see you there.
Have you ever wanted to travel to Europe? Well, Mr. Moore is offering a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to travel to Ireland, Scotland, Britain, and France during the summer of 2023. If you want to know more about it, come to room 354 during lunch, September 28th, for a quick introductory presentation about this amazing trip. This is not a school-sponsored event, and a mandatory parent meeting will be required at a later date.
Today we have our boys football team playing at Alvarez, while girls field hockey plays their opponents from Notre Dame in our own home territory.
Our very own boys water polo team will be competing in a varsity tournament located in Watsonville. Go get 'em, Balers.
This Saturday, our girls volleyball will compete in a frosh tournament in Milpitas. And on the same day, girls water polo will partake in a varsity tournament located in Watsonville.
That's it for today's bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember, go
Balers.